Listen up. Isolated is under siege. The 5 Knights have neutralized all defense facilities simultaneously. This was a highly coordinated attack. Intel suggests there's a massive amount of raw Nova 6 material stored there. Needless to say, if the 5 Knights were to get a hold of it, things would get ugly fast. They're launching a full offensive, which thankfully goes to show that they still don't know the exact location of the underground warehouse. We need to destroy the underground passage and permanently seal the materials inside before Isolated is completely overrun. This is it. The fight starts now.
You are wasting your time. You've already lost.
Hang in there just a little longer.
A gift, courtesy of the 5 Knights. Au revoir!
Damn it. Roach, it's a trap. Get out of there now.
The self-destruct sequence has been tampered with. All teams evacuate. Stand by for further instructions. Nick is on the move. Bravo 6, move out. First priority is to secure Isolated. For you, Roach, I have something else in mind. If Isolated falls, I need you to make your way into their headquarters and transmit their coordinates. The squad will be waiting to extract you. Then, we'll hit them where it hurts. We're counting on you, son. Godspeed.
What was your mission in Blackout? I will ask you one more time. Where is Captain Price? I'm tired of this. Last chance before you meet your maker.
You broken? Good. Chopper's leaving. Let's move. Right. Let's get you out of there. Sergeant's in tow. Moving to Exfil. Roach, run! You trust me? Fire now! Fire now!
crawling back to their hole. Walking on the hill. Bravo, let's move on. Target on the water. Target on the bridge. RPG! Down there, enemy convoy. Destroy the convoy, don't let them get a drop on us. We're under attack. Target destroyed. Heading to the next. We're out of time. Bit rusty, are we? Get yourself warmed up. Bit rusty, are we? Get yourself warmed up. Pick up the pace. Last group of transformers, large sky high. Down! Down! We're under attack! We're under attack! Take out the pipe! We're under attack!
Mission complete. Prepare for exfil. Watch out! Bravo 6 to all stations. Primary extraction failed. Headed to the rendezvous on foot.
Ah, bloody hell!